I would like to know your account for free will. I'd be interested in you defining it and then telling me how it works.
Okay, I guess the easiest way to define it would be to go back to the moment of creation, or the Big Bang, as it's sometimes called in the standard model of physics. The universe, at its moment of its inception, it has to potentialize, actually has to generate a potential for itself. In that potential, it is an actualization that is complemented, and as a logical complement, that which it is not. It is completely self-contained. In other words, it's undefined from the perspective of anything outside it. As a matter of fact, there is no outside perspective, which makes it undefined, right? It's got to define itself completely internally. And this amounts to freedom. It is externally unconstrained. All of its constraint comes from within. It's self-determined. Now the universe is composed only of itself. There's nothing else but the universe, but the identity of the universe to comprise the universe. So of course, everything in the universe inherits this elementary kind of freedom, this external non-definition. And that is why we possess free will. We really can't get out of it. There's no way to claim that everything is determined because there's nothing external to the universe that would determine it or could determine it. Without free will, there would be no such thing as responsibility. Everything would be completely determined in advance, and you really couldn't ascribe guilt or merit for anything that anybody might do because it was all determined in advance and they had no choice. For anybody to have any responsibility whatsoever for our legal system, for our moral values to mean anything at all, we must possess free will. Otherwise, it's all just going through the motions. It's over. Free will is the inception of the causal chain, and the causal chain is shaped like a loop. Free will is like the center of a loop, as it were.
Are we in some sense first movers?
Yes. Every person, like the Almighty, like God himself, is a first mover. Basically,
Okay.
your powers of inception owe to the fact that you are a generator of telesis, being, of course, the power to self-configure, which the universe has because there's nothing external to configure it.